Here's a review of the iPettie Pet Water Fountain 3-liter model. This is the stuff that it comes with. A charcoal filter, some tweezers to help clean, and a little scrub brush. This is the filter holder, the cover, the pump, a pump screen sponge to keep out hair and other debris, a USB power cord adapter. The power cord is a USB with a little on-off switch here, and this is the actual container for the water. First we'll put the pump together. All you do is slide this on the pump. Stick this down in here. There's two little tabs that this goes onto. It has little suction cups, just press down. The LED light goes into this little slot here to keep it from floating around in the water. It says it holds 3 liters of water, so I've measured out 3 liters of water to see if it's true. There's a little viewing screen here that tells you how much water is in there. Seems about right, 3 liters. First you put on the first clear cover for the charcoal filter. And you place the cover on top of that. And it snaps into place. You plug in the USB cord to the adapter. Plug it into the wall. It turns on just like that. There's hardly any noise, if any at all. And when you turn off the lights, you can see the LED light a little bit better. And that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.